Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Biab Gel Polish Builder is probably one of the most versatile and sought-after products in the nail care industry right now, offering a revolutionary approach to achieving strong, beautiful, and long-lasting gel manicures directly from your home. Whether you're a seasoned nail enthusiast looking to elevate your at-home salon experience or a beginner seeking a reliable way to strengthen and enhance your natural nails, this innovative gel builder promises salon-quality results with remarkable ease of application. It's designed to provide a protective, strengthening layer that not only prevents breakage but also allows for natural nail growth, making it an indispensable tool for anyone dreaming of perfect, resilient nails that can withstand daily life. Number 5. MODELONES 15 ml Nail Dehydrator and Primer Kit. Achieve a flawless manicure with our professional nail prep kit. This essential duo ensures your nails are perfectly clean and ready for polish application. Our formula is acid-free, making it gentle on your natural nails. It effectively dehydrates and primes without causing damage, ensuring a healthy base. Experience enhanced polish adhesion for a manicure that lasts. This primer helps your nail color stay vibrant and chip-free for longer. Designed with your health in mind, our product is HEMA-free. It's a safer choice for those with sensitivities, providing peace of mind with every use. Whether you prefer gel, acrylic, or regular polish, this kit is your secret weapon. It creates the ideal foundation for any nail style you desire. Achieve a natural and beautiful finish with our dehydrator and primer. It ensures your nails are prepped correctly for a smooth and even application. What we like? This product offers an acid-free and HEMA-free formula for a gentle yet effective nail preparation. It ensures natural prep and better adhesion without harsh chemicals. If you have sensitive nails or are looking for a safer alternative, this is a great choice. What people say. The Gel Polish Builder has a self-leveling formula that makes application smooth and easy, even for beginners. It provides a strong and durable overlay that protects natural nails and prevents breakage. The Builder Gel offers excellent adhesion, ensuring long-lasting wear without lifting or chipping. Number 4. MODELONES Builder Nail Gel. Discover the ultimate solution for flawless nails. This versatile gel is designed to strengthen, thicken, and extend your natural nails with ease. Experience the power of our 7-in-1 formula. It acts as a base coat, builder, and even a glue for rhinestones, offering incredible versatility. Achieve salon-quality results at home. Its convenient bottle design makes application smooth and simple, perfect for DIY enthusiasts. Get a durable, long-lasting finish with our LED lamp-cured formula. It provides a strong, protective layer that resists chipping and wear. Say goodbye to weak and brittle nails. This gel strengthens and thickens your nails, allowing you to create beautiful extensions effortlessly. Looking for the perfect gift for a nail art lover? This builder gel is an ideal present for anyone who enjoys creating stunning nail designs. What we like? This offers incredible versatility with its 7-in-1 formula, acting as a base, builder, and even rhinestone glue. It's perfect for strengthening, thickening, and creating extensions. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution for complex nail art and extensions at home, this is the one. What people say. The Gel Polish Builder is easy to apply and self-levels beautifully, creating a smooth surface for a flawless manicure. It provides excellent strength and durability, preventing chips and breaks for a long-lasting wear. The formula is non-toxic and odorless, making it a safe and pleasant option for at-home use. Number 3. FZANEST Nude Rubber Nail Base Gel. Discover the ultimate solution for stronger, more beautiful nails. Our innovative formula provides a durable, self-leveling base for flawless extensions. This builder bottle gel acts as a powerful strengthener, helping to prevent breakage. Achieve salon-quality extensions with ease, right at home. Experience the magic of its self-leveling properties. It effortlessly smooths over imperfections, creating a perfect canvas for your nail art. Infused with fiber gel technology, it adds incredible strength and resilience. Say goodbye to weak, brittle nails and hello to lasting beauty. As a versatile base coat, it works perfectly with both UV and LED lamps. Get a professional finish and long-lasting wear every time. Elevate your manicure with this essential product. It's designed to give you the strong, beautiful, and perfectly extended nails you've always desired. What we like. Experience a flawless finish with its self-leveling properties and the added strength of fiber gel. The natural nude shade provides a beautiful base for any look. If you desire a smooth, strong, and natural-looking nail extension without the hassle, this builder gel is ideal. What people say. The Gel Polish Builder is very easy to apply and self-levels beautifully, creating a smooth and even surface. It provides excellent strength and durability to the natural nail, preventing breakage and allowing for longer nail growth. The finish is high gloss and long-lasting, resisting chipping and wear for several weeks. Number 2. MODELONES Builder Nail Gel Kit. Achieve salon-quality nails at home with our Builder Gel Kit. It's perfect for thickening, creating a beautiful apex, and adding extensions. This clear builder gel provides a flawless base for your nail art. It's also great for securing rhinestones and ensuring a strong, durable finish. Designed for both DIY enthusiasts and salon professionals, this kit makes nail building simple. Get professional results with ease. Enjoy beautiful, long-lasting nails that are resistant to chipping and wear. Our formula is designed for durability and a perfect finish. Simply cure it under a UV LED lamp for a hard, glossy finish. It's compatible with standard curing lamps for your convenience. Whether for everyday wear or special occasions, these gels help you create stunning nail looks. Express your style with confidence. What we like. This comprehensive kit includes a builder gel and top coat, perfect for apex building and securing gel tips. It provides a strong foundation for extensions and nail art. If you're aiming for salon-quality extensions and intricate designs at home, this kit offers everything you need. What people say. The Gel Polish Builder is easy to apply and self-levels beautifully, creating a smooth surface for a flawless manicure. It provides excellent strength and durability, preventing chips and breaks for a long-lasting wear. The formula is non-toxic and odor-free, making it a safer choice for both the user and the environment. Number 1. OHORA Care Easy Peel Remover. Introducing the Easy Peel Remover from OHORA Care. It's designed for a swift and simple removal of your gel nail strips. This remover features a non-drying, nourishing formula that cares for your nails. It ensures a comfortable removal experience without stripping essential moisture. The included hygienic dropper allows for precise application. This means you use just the right amount, every time, for optimal results. Say goodbye to difficult removal processes. This product swiftly and effectively lifts gel strips, saving you time and effort. Committed to ethical beauty, it's vegan, cruelty-free, and hypoallergenic. You can feel good about the ingredients and their impact. It's the perfect solution for maintaining beautiful nails with ease. Enjoy a hassle-free gel strip removal process with this innovative product. What we like. Designed for effortless removal, this product gently lifts semi-cured gel strips without drying out your natural nails. Its nourishing formula keeps your nails healthy. If you frequently use gel strips and want a hassle-free, gentle removal process that maintains nail health, this remover is a must-have. What people say. The Gel Polish Builder is easy to apply and creates a smooth, even finish. It provides excellent strength and durability to the natural nail, preventing breakage. The formula is self-leveling, making it simple to achieve a professional-looking manicure at home. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.